Show you the wired IR repeater from Radio Shack. It's a very dirt simple device. Item 1500458. It's a world market item. Basically, whatever country you're in is going to determine which power cord adapter comes with it. It basically is a receiver, little amplifier box, and then IR emitters with a series of cords. And we'll show you how that works. So this is Apple TV displayed on this, which is controlled a little differently with the Wi-Fi stuff. But what we're looking at here is a Radio Shack product. It's basically an IR repeater. Here you've got a sending unit on a series of wires. And then inside a cabinet we have the unit with these other wires. Now, they give you a lot of wire with these so that you can have a lot to work with. But in reality, what's going to happen is usually it's going to be fairly close. And the trick is that when you have these little senders, you want to be able to fill the container up with that IR light. But with these things, these little emitters pointing toward the devices you want to control. So what will happen is, for example, with this remote, we get a flashing light when we're running it. What you'll see is a flashing light on the repeater unit that will flash as I point this. You're going to watch that flash as I point it at the receiver portion. You'll see that blinking. Now as that's blinking, let's see if I can point this up toward the receiver unit, and we'll see both blinking at the same time. Well, not really because of the angle, but the reason we did this is so that with the cabinet closed, you can control all of these devices by filling that with the IR light from, just basically repeating what's in the remote. Now here's the other thing. This device uses USB power, uses a small USB mini adapter I have plugged into the soundbar, or I mean the power strip under there. Now, if this runs on DC, it's a native DC device, that means it's off-grid capable. So if you're setting up an off-grid entertainment center, one of the things is a lot of these TVs are AC only, but there are some DC versions out there. And likewise, depending on the style of satellite box you have, some of them are AC capable, DC capable, and some are not. But these little IR repeaters, they are DC capable. They're off-grid capable out of the box. All you do is get a 12 volt to USB adapter, and because what they come with is a 110 AC to DC adapter, which runs USB power. So it's a very low power consumption device. Pretty dirt simple to install. It's all pretty much plug, play, and tape up in place with a little sticky stuff. The reason I didn't screw that into anything is because we still want to be able to move it and position it and get it to plugs. But that is the Radio Shack wired IR repeater. Pretty good. Item number 1500458.